Hello everyone, it's me Sonia Shaikh and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you a super easy way to get your beauty blender from this to this without damaging it. The technique I am going to share works fast and you won't be ruining your beauty blender and ripping them apart over time. If you find it helpful, I would appreciate it if you could leave a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Also press the notification bell so you don't miss any updates from me. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is to take a bowl filled with water and place your beauty blender in. Let it soak up the water until it gets double in size. And then I am going to go ahead and take some shampoo. Here I have Dove Hair Therapy Shampoo. You can use any shampoo that you have. Just make sure that the shampoo you are using should be white. The next thing I am going to do is just basically going to go ahead and pour some shampoo all over the beauty blender just to kind of get it clean. Then I just rub it very carefully between my palms like this. What works really well with this technique is how you are getting all sides at the same time without using your nails. So I just keep going like this a few times around. Then I dip it into the water and I just squeeze everything out, and this is what it looks like after the first wash. If you notice that some areas need a little bit more attention, so I am going to do this all over again to make sure that the beauty blender is completely cleaned. So back in with the shampoo, rub between my palms for a minute or so, squeezing it in the water, trying to get the mess clean as possible, and then now I'm just rinsing it off with some clean water. I have rinsed it off under the tap a few times behind the camera to make sure that all the shampoo is out of the beauty blender. And this is the final look. As you guys can see, that is looking really good and clean. So that is it for the video. Let me know if any of you guys tried it out and how it worked for you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you found this video helpful. Also subscribe for more videos like this. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.